Hello friends, today I shall discuss about what is the importance of political science. So before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rajdeep. I read in BA first semester and I welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel Political Study. And it's my request to everyone, please subscribe my channel to get my latest video update and don't skip the video, okay, because in this entire tutorial we will have a 6 major point which will help you to understand why study politics or what is the importance of political science. So let's take points number 1. to understand the current political problems and find solution. Okay, so politics also helps us to understand the current political problems of a country and find the right solution of this problem. And it is also a subject that talks about various issues related to state and various problems which common men suffer. For example, we talked about corruption, we talked about basic human rights. So political science is all about understanding the current political problems and finding the right solution within the framework of the constitutions. Okay, next point number 2, to study political thought and ideas of the great political thinkers. Now, in fact, over a period of time, the great political thinkers like Chanakya, Plato, Aristotle, etc., they were known as ancient political thinkers. Okay, and they have contributed a lot to the growth of political science and political thought. Understand? Next, point number 3, to make people conscious of their rights and duties, means to make people aware of their rights and duties. Now one must understand that rights and duties are the two sides of the same coin. You cannot enjoy rights without duties and you cannot perform duties without certain rights. So one must be conscious of his or her own rights and duties toward the state, means everyone should know what his or her own rights and duties towards the state. Now, to analyze political parties and pressure groups, means to study political parties and pressure groups. Now political parties and pressure groups again play a very important role of in a democracy. Understand? Now what is political parties? Political parties is an organized group of people which have the same ideology. Understand? Like BJP, Congress, and there are many other political parties, and every political parties have their different ideology. For example, in India we elect representatives like MLA, MP. Why? So that they can take decisions and deliver service to the common people. Understand? Now what is pressure groups? Suppose if the government does not deliver service to the common people, then these pressure groups put enough pressure on the government to deliver service to the common people. Okay, now point number 5, to study great political events like French Revolution, American War of Independence, and freedom movement of India. So these three events has contributed greater prospects of political science. For example, French Revolution. Now there is a question that in which year the French Revolution took place. So the French Revolution took place on May 1789. Understand? So the French Revolution has two very important aspects or terms in political science, which is equality and fraternity. Equality means state of being equal, and fraternity means you can say brotherhood. Understand? Similarly, American War of Independence. Now again there is a question that in which year American War of Independence took place. So the American War of Independence started from 1775 and ended in 1783. Okay, and American War of Independence is a great champion of civil liberty and freedom. Now, what is the meaning of the word liberty? The word liberty has derived from the Latin word liber, which means free. So liberty means freedom. It is absent from unreasonable restraints. Okay. Now, freedom movements of India. Again, this freedom movements of India again has contributed to a longer framework of non-violence movement, which is led by the great Mahatma Gandhi, and he is also known as the father of the nation. Now, point number 6, politics gives us knowledge about the government. So point number 6 says that politics gives us knowledge about the government. Means politics gives us knowledge about the governments, its objects, its limits, etc. Okay, and this knowledge is essential, means important. Otherwise, we cannot be a good citizens. And without understanding the politics and without participating in the politics, it is impossible to change our society. So these 6 points clearly talks about why we need to study political science, and I hope that everyone understand what is the importance of political science or why we study politics. And in my next video I shall discuss about democracy. So if you like the video, please press the like icon, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in my comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. And for today I have finished here.